The ultimate setup on a Ford F-150 King Ranch Edition. This has the Yakima Outpost HD, the Rome Adventure Co. Vagabond tent, the RetraxPRO XR heavy duty aluminum retractable cover. You can see how nice this whole setup matches the bed caps on this truck. Has a factory appearance. You'll see the thick industrial aluminum slats on the cover. This thing supports 500 pounds industrial strength. It has the Yakima sidebars on the side for attaching the roto packs, the axe, shovel mounts, all the stuff you want to put on the side. The RetraxPRO XR has a rail system which allows you to add these rack accessories by Yakima, so you could do that in the future there. And this has weather sealing here so nothing gets inside there. Keeps all your cargo safe. Now you have your whole entire truck bed that you can put stuff on top. Go out to your truck, unlock the cover, push this, slide it back. You'll see that it just shoots right back really fast. Instant access to your bed. Clamp on installation, no drilling required. Everything has a custom design to each truck. If you're looking to expand your ability to do anything with your truck, a rooftop tent will do that. A truck bed rack will do that. The bed cover will keep all your camping gear safe. Visit Truck Access Plus to get the whole setup. Rack and Camp partner.